Now again start the satellite subsystem. An operating communication satellite system consists of several elements ranging from the orbital configuration of space component to ground-based components and the network element. Here is some basic block diagram of satellite subsystem, that is the what data are transmitted from the one earth station to another. This is the voice, data, video, and can be transmitted through the earth station via satellite. We generally use the radio frequency link. The basic system consists of satellite subsystem is the relaying information. That is the relayed may be voice, data, video. Satellite is actually relayed from one earth station to the another earth station. The phase segment or equipment carried aboard the satellite can be classified into two functional areas. One is the bus, another is the payload. Payload is the transponder, that is the satellite antenna, and which are all inbuilt with the satellite. Bus is the physical structure, attitude and orbital control, power system, thermal control, TTC and AM. These are all the part of the bus. So we can divide satellite subsystem in the two segments. One is the phase segment, another is the ground segment. In phase segment, we mainly focused on the phase segment. In phase segment, that is actually satellite, divided by the two main area. One is the bus, another is the payload. Bus is consist of, which I previously described, that physical structure, attitude and orbital control system, that is abbreviation AOCS, power system, thermal control, and TTC and AM, telemetry tracking, command and monitoring. And payload divided into two parts. One is the transponder, another is the antenna. The bus refers to the basic satellite structure. Bus means basic satellite structure. Bus not in wire or any cable. Normally use the term of bus. Here the bus is the basic satellite structure, that is consist of physical structure, satellite subsystem, attitude orbital control subsystem, thermal control subsystem, command and telemetry subsystem. Payload is actually a communication satellite. Payload consists of the transponder and antenna. These are the two main part of the payload. The basic shape of the structure depends on the method of the stabilization employed to keep the satellite stable, pointing in the desired direction, usually to keep the antennas properly oriented towards path. Two methods are commonly employed. One is the spin stabilization, another is the 3-axis or the body stabilization. What is the spin stabilization? A spin stabilized satellite is usually cylindrical in shape. Because the satellite is required to be mechanically balanced about an axis, so it can be maintained in orbit by spinning on its axis. For geosynchronous satellite, the spin axis is maintained parallel to the spin axis of the Earth. Parallel to the spin axis of the Earth, with the spin rates the range of 30 to 100 revolution per minute. That is the orbit where the satellite spin on its orbit, and that is the actually stable path. So now in the next part on my